Hey everybody, it's me Tracy and I wanted to come on here really quick and kind of show you guys how my hair is looking 2 weeks later from doing the spoolies. Hello, I still have curls. Now one of the things I will say that since I roller set my hair 2 weeks ago, it gives me a really tight curl, and this is about as much as it has stretched out since having it. I did find that I didn't like continue rolling my hair at nighttime. When I would go to sleep, I would just put on my satin bonnet and sleep, and then in the morning just kind of like shake it out like that. And yeah, and then that's how I was rolling with my hair. So yeah, so I just really wanted to come on and say that, I'm really, really pleased with how the spoolies work, because since I have been using the shampoo bar by Tree Naturals, I've noticed that I really don't need to cleanse my hair every week. Using the shampoo bar and then also using her conditioner bar and then using a cream to set my hair stayed moisturized for the entire 2 weeks. And as you can see, it is not like dry or anything like that. Here goes the back. The back probably looked worse. But yeah, so today I'm just going to be putting it up in this U pen. This is a Goody U pen that I've had for like about 10 years. But this is great, you can put your hair in a puff if you want to. There's many ways that you can use this little tool right here. Or you can also use these. I've had these little swirl pens for like 10 years. It came like in a set. But I just really like this. This is a U pen. It's very easy to use and it doesn't like pull my hair. So I wanted to show you guys how I use this. So yeah, my hair is looking kind of, wild. I mean, I still got curls and I could probably like fix it if I want to. But yeah, I'm going to wash my hair like maybe either tonight or tomorrow or maybe Sunday. I don't know. But I just wanted to show you guys how I'm going to use that U pen. Now, this, I don't see a lot of people with textured hair using this tool. I don't think there's any videos on YouTube with people with highly textured hair using these. But this is like a really cool pen. This came from Goody. I got it at like Walmart a long time ago. But it's kind of tricky on how to use it. So as you can see, it's like got a bow in it. And that bow is what you want on your scalp when you actually put this in your hair. So I'm going to show you guys how I use this. So I just pulled my hair up in the way that I want it. And I love this thing because it holds your hair really good and it ain't falling down. And you only need this one pen compared to when I use hair pens to put my hair up. So here's how I use it. So I got my U pen right here, and that bow is facing up. And I'm only going to take like a little bit of hair. I hope you guys can see this. Okay, and then I'm going to touch the other side of my scalp. And as I'm doing that, I'm going to take it and push it in. And you can push it in like all the way. I'm just going to leave it like that. because I don't want it to be like too tight. But this is how I'm rocking my hair today. It's just kind of like in a messy updo. And that's it. So yeah, have you guys tried these U-pins, the Goody U-pins? Or their spin pins for like putting your hair up. It's just awesome. Sometimes, you know, when you use like scrunchies are cool, but then sometimes you want kind of like a different look. So the U-pins are actually really great because you only need one tool and you don't have to put a whole bunch of hairpins in your hair. I was using a lot of hairpins if I want to wear my hair up like this. But the U-pin is also awesome because you only need the one and it holds all your hair. So, and it's comfortable to wear like all day long. Some people do complain about this thing hurting. The only time it's going to hurt is if you grab too much hair from this side. Like if you come all the way over here, like push it through and come all the way over here and then tuck, it's going to be tight. And it will put pressure on your scalp and then it will be uncomfortable to wear. But if you just grab a little bit of hair, then it works really, really great. So yeah, I just wanted to come on and show you guys that and ask you guys if y'all have used the U-pin. But this is how my curls are looking. And I'm really impressed with how long they have lasted. 2 weeks, you guys. And yeah, hair is still moisturized and I'm pretty happy. All right, so I'll talk to you guys on the next one. I hope that you guys have a fabulous weekend. And yeah, talk to you on the next video. Bye for now. If you like this content, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know that when I put up new videos. All right, I'll talk to you on the next one. Bye for now.